guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you guys what my latest purchase is. I've been waiting to unbox this item so I can actually start using it. I finally got the time to unbox it and I can't wait to show you what I got. So let me go ahead and grab the box. The box is a little big, although the item is not that big, but I don't know why. But it came in a really huge box, and unfortunately, because it's very huge and the item is not, the box looks really bad. So here is how the item looks out of the box. So as you can see from this angle, you can see that it's pushed in, and I'm surprised though that the corners are not ripped from how bad this looks. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm not sure if they actually made limited quantities for this item, but here it goes. And yeah, look at that box. The box is really dented in the middle. And look how small it is inside, you guys. And it looks like the receipt is also inside. This is the first time I've actually gotten it like this. Here's the receipt. I am so excited with this item, you guys. Here is the item, you guys. I finally got my bum bag. And this is so awesome because this is the new one that they released. It is the Monogram Eclipse Bumbag. I'm so happy because this one does not have the vachetta, you guys. It is black leather. And if you look at this, it is not as bulky. I was so happy that it's not as bulky as the Monogram. And you guys, the hardware is beautiful. I think it says on the website it's silver hardware, but it actually looks like a black hardware or like a dark silver. So let me show you guys the details of this bag. So it comes with a buckle. I love that. One side is plastic and the other side is metal. Wow, that snaps very hard. Here says Louis Vuitton Paris. Let me see what else is the detail of this. And it has this adjustable part of the belt. You can actually adjust it. And there's this loop to tighten it. So look how beautiful that is, you guys. There's actually no ring in the bottom like the Monogram one. But in the front, it says here, Louis Vuitton Paris. And it also comes with a zippered bag. So I like that. You can actually put your cell phone in there. It's fairly big. So I'm sure my iPhone XS Max is going to fit in there. Look how big that zipper is. I love the zipper pull, you guys. It is fairly big. It's nice and shiny. It looks very silvery because it's shiny, but it actually looks like a black metal of some sort. So here is the inside of the SKU sticker. The item number is M44336. It says Discovery Bumbag Monogram Eclipse. And here is the textile card. So the zipper is really nice and smooth. So let's go ahead and look at that inside of the bum bag. So let's flip the leather top so we can unzip it. Like so. So here is how it looks inside. Let's see what the tab says. Ooh, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. Made in France. So this is made in France. The inside is like a black fabric. So you can actually pull the lining. It's not like attached to the canvas. I can't wait to start using this. Let me try it on. So I can wear it like that. I can wear it across my chest. The back, my favorite way of wearing it would be like this, so I can just pull it like that and then open it up and get my stuff. It's not as bulky as the regular Monogram. I'm so glad I was able to get this one, because if I wasn't able to get this Eclipse one, I would probably have ended up getting the Monogram one, which is a little bit bulkier than this. So I'm so happy that I saw that this was released. I am so excited, you guys. I love that cute detail there. This is very easy. You can just easily open it up and grab your stuff inside. And close it up like so. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I am so happy that I finally got the bum bag. We have a few trips lined up for summer. So I'm very excited that I was able to buy this one so I can actually wear this one on our trips, so I can be hands-free. It's very convenient and very secure. I don't know if I'm actually going to try wearing this one on my waist or on my hips. We'll see. So that is it, you guys. That was my Monogram Eclipse bum bag. If you have any questions, hit me up on the comments down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And I hope you enjoyed my unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!